In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable track time off in Hubstaff. This might be useful if you're managing a team and want to streamline time tracking to exclude time off details. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive in and walk through each step together. First, let's start by opening up your Hubstaff account. Once you're logged in, head over to the main dashboard where you can see a variety of options. On the left side of your screen, you'll find the navigation menu. Here, look for the settings option. Clicking on settings will bring you to a new page that's filled with management options for your Hubstaff organization. Now, let's move on to enabling or disabling specific features. Still on the settings page, find the Enable Disable Features section. This section is crucial because it allows you to customize the functionality of your Hubstaff organization to better suit your needs and the needs of your team members. Click on Enable Disable Features to proceed. After clicking on that, you should see a list of available features within Hubstaff. This list allows you to toggle different functionalities that Hubstaff offers to tailor the platform to your specific workflow. With this layout, you can easily manage what tools and features your team can access. In this list, we'll need to locate the option labeled Track Time Off. Tracking time off is a feature that some organizations might need, but if it's more beneficial for your team to focus solely on active work time, you might opt to disable it. Once you have found Track Time Off in this list, go ahead and click on the Disable option next to it. Disabling this feature means that any automatic tracking of time off won't occur, enabling you to focus or click on tracking only active work time without unnecessary complication. Once you've clicked Disable, Hubstaff will update your settings. You should see a confirmation that lets you know the feature has been successfully disabled. It's a good idea to revisit this settings page in the future if your needs change. Maybe you might want to re-enable time off tracking or modify other features as your organization evolves. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to disable track time off in Hubstaff. By following these few steps, you can refine the way time is tracked in your organization, making it as efficient as possible. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more handy tips and guides.